disagree. When right isn't right and all left behind, it is the time for us to raise our heads and read between the lines.